वीडियो लाइक जरूर कर लीजिए और ऐसे वीडियो लगातार फ्री में पाने के लिए चैनल को तुरंत सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर टैप कर लीजिए ताकि आगे भी सारे वीडियो आपको मिलते रहे। यूट्यूब में फॉलो करते हैं तो प्लीज ये वाला फ्री टेलीग्राम चैनल जरूर ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा। सारे नोटिफिकेशन, सारे अपडेट यहीं पे आते हैं, ध्यान रखिए।
नमस्कार, मैं शिवांगी सिंह स्टडी फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करती हूं। उम्मीद करती हूं पढ़ाई बहुत बढ़िया चल रही होगी। पैनिक नहीं करना है, एंड मोमेंट पे ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करनी है और पीवाईक्यू रिवाइज करने हैं। उसी श्रृंखला में इंग्लिश मीडियम पीवाईक्यू मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री बिहार स्पेशल, बिहार में आए हुए पिछले सालों के सारे क्वेश्चन पेपर्स मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर फॉर्मेट में बहुत ही फास्ट ट्रैक तरीके से कवर करने जा रहे हैं हम इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में। कोई भी पेड ग्रुप आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, पीडीएफ चाहते हैं, रिवीजन पीडीएफ, क्रैश कोर्स, कोई और पेड ग्रुप, तो आप उसके लिए कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमारे नीचे दिए गए नंबर्स पे। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर सकते हैं आप बाकी की डिटेल्स के लिए। तो बहुत ही तेजी से शुरू कर रहे हैं मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री का इंग्लिश मीडियम पीवाईक्यू 69 बीपीएससी 2023 के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो। चलिए जी, बीपीएससी पीवाईक्यू टॉपिक है हमारा मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, इंग्लिश मीडियम का वीडियो होगा। पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए, बाल गंगाधर तिलक केम टू बी नोन एज लोकमान्य तिलक व्हेन ही बिकेम अ पॉपुलर टीचर, he started a popular newspaper, the government accused him in the Rand murder case, he started the Shivaji and the Ganpati festivals, none of the above, more than above। बताइए। तो ये आपका नन ऑफ द अबव हो जाएगा, क्योंकि क्या था देखिए 1897 की बात है, इनके ऊपर सेडिशन के चार्ज लगे थे और इनको जेल भेज दिया गया था। तो जो ये ट्रायल और सेंटेंस हुई इनको, इनका इसकी वजह से इनको ये टाइटल मिला था। हु बिगेन द फराइजी मूवमेंट? हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह, सैयद अहमद, सलीमुल्लाह, एम ए जिन्ना। हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह। हु इनवाइटेड गांधी जी टू चंपारण? कितनी बार आएगा ये क्वेश्चन? राजेंद्र प्रसाद, राजकुमार शुक्ला, मजरुल हक, कृष्ण सहाय। राजकुमार शुक्ला। हु रोट द बुक पावर्टी एंड द अन ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया? आरसी दत्ता, दादा भाई नरोजी, बिपिन चंद्र पाल, लाला लाजपत राय। गलती का स्कोप नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन में, दादा भाई नरोजी। ये आपके लिए आंसर छुपाए गए हैं, आपको पता है। When were the rights of the tenants on land in Bengal and Bihar recognized by the Bengal Tenancy Act? 1868, 1881, 1885, 1893? 1885. Who raised the flag of independence at the Congress session of 1929? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When was the Bihar Socialist Party formed? 1921, 1927, 1931, 1934? 1931. When did Bihar become a separate province in India? 1897, 1905, 1907, 1912? Easy question. 9th. Who among the following was the leader of the first Congress ministry in Bihar? Anugrah Narayan Sinha, Abdul Bari, Jayaprakash Narayan, Shri Krishna Sinha. क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? Shri Krishna Sinha. Which of the following was not a reason of making sepoys of East India Company rebellious? The efforts of the officers of the company to spread Christianity, the order to the sepoys to travel on ships, the stoppage of bhatta, वो जो उनको अलाउंस भत्ता मिलता था, the inefficiency of the officers, या फिर E आंसर बताइए। D, the inefficiency of the officers। बाकी सब कारण थे। About Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar, it was said that his empire extended from Chandni Chowk to Palam, Delhi to Bihar, Peshawar to Varanasi। कहां से कहां तक थी उनकी एम्पायर? इट इज आस्किंग। बहादुर शाह जफर एम्पायर पूछ रहा है, एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम, क्या हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? सो एक्चुअली इसका आंसर हो जाएगा आपका चांदनी चौक टू पालम, ए। ठीक है। Who among the following did not rebel against the British East India Company's control over them? Raja of Vijayanagaram, Nizam of Hyderabad, Polygars of Tamil Nadu, Diwan Velu Thempi of Travancore? Nizam of Hyderabad. The Indigo Rebellion was about the peasant not wanting to grow indigo but being forced to। नहीं चाहते थे लेकिन फोर्स किए जा रहे थे। Wanting to grow but being forced not to। Peasant not wanting to grow indigo but being forced to grow at a price that was unacceptable to them। A protest movement that carried on indigo colored flag। Answer। अनएक्सेप्टेबल था प्राइस जिस पे वो चाहते थे उगवाना। How old was Bhagat Singh when he threw a bomb in the assembly in protest against the government? 21 years old, a little more than 21, 25, a little more than 25? बताइए आप। देख रहे हैं? The Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened in the context of which Gandhian सत्याग्रह? स्वदेशी सत्याग्रह, रॉलेट, बारदौली, इंडिविजुअल सत्याग्रह? बताइए। इंडिविजुअल तो हो ही नहीं सकता, बहुत बात का है, रॉलेट सत्याग्रह। Where did Kunwar Singh join the rebellion of 1857 against the British? Ara, Patna, Bethiya, Varanasi? Ara, of course. In which territory, it is asking, did rebel
ट्राइबल रिबेल्स अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश, बिहार, पंजाब, सिंध, काठियावाड़, तो ये काफी जगह था, है ना. So always with the assent and often to the dictates of the Chamber of Commerce, the government of India has carried on, and this is white man's burden. Who said this? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Mahatma Gandhi, Sachidanand Sinha, Rajendra Prasad. Sachidanand Sinha. Which of the following was the first satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi in India? Ahmedabad, Bardoli, Champaran, individual. Champaran. Mahatma Gandhi ने केक खाया था. Champaran, Ahmedabad, खेड़ा. Gandhiji's non-cooperation movement urged people to avoid alcohol. This resulted in a serious loss of revenue for the government. The government of a province circulated a list of prominent individuals who drank alcohol as a device to persuade people to start drinking again. Name the province. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Bombay, Gujarat. Bihar, of course. During salt satyagraha in Bihar, in addition to making salt, the people chose to oppose the government by opposing which tax? Chaukidari, Hathi, Development, Malba. बहुत famous Chaukidari tax. 22. The elected government of Bihar resigned in February 1938. For which reason? The participation of India in war, satyagraha against the British at the call of Gandhi, high taxes being imposed by the British for the release of political prisoners. Answer. D. For the release of political prisoners. Who was connected with Bihar Kisan Sabha? Swami Sahajanand, Karyanand Sharma, Rahul Sankritia and Yadunandan Sharma. ये सभी थे. The immediate cause of the Deccan Riots of 1875 was shadow of a famine, high interest rates charged by Mahajans, high land revenue rates, protest against imposition of religious reforms. Answer. High interest rates charged by Mahajans. Rajani Palme Dutt. They both fought and collaborated with imperialism. Which political grouping was he referring to? The Indian National Congress, the Communist Party of India, the Swaraj Party, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. Of course, the Indian National Congress. Which of the following was not a nationalist newspaper? The Hindu, Bengali, the Maratha, the Times of India. The Times of India. Identify the correct combination from the options given below for Pratna Samaj, Young India, Lokhitvadi, Satyashodhak Samaj, Rehnumai, Mazdian Sabha. देख रहे हो आप एक ही क्वेश्चन में फायरिंग की हुई अच्छे से. बताइए जरा देख के फिर. बी हो जाएगा आंसर. आत्माराम पांडुरंग, मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, गोपाल हरि देशमुख, ज्योतिबा फुले, नरोजी फुरदोंजी. Then from the options given below, find the correct combination of the names of the editors of which all newspapers. See, so many newspapers. The Hindu, Kesari, Bengali, Hindustani, Sudharak. D. Hindu के जी सुब्रमण्यम अरियर, केसरी के बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बंगाली के सुरेंद्रनाथ बैनर्जी, हिंदुस्तानी के गंगा प्रसाद वर्मा, सुधारक के गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. Which of the following princely states was not annexed by the British? Sindh, Gwalior, Awadh, Satara. Gwalior. What was the ultimate goal of Gandhiji's salt satyagraha? Repeal of salt laws, curtailment of government's power, economic relief to the common man, पूर्ण स्वराज for India. उन्होंने नमक कानून तोड़ने थे. The Mopala rebellion of 1921 broke out in Assam, Kerala, Punjab, Bengal. Kerala. The Swadeshi movement took place in India during the Champaran Satyagraha of Gandhiji, the anti-Bengal partition agitation, the protest against the Rowlatt Act, the non-cooperation movement. Very famous. Bombay Presidency Association was established by Firoz Shah Mehta, K.T. Tilang, W.C. Banerjee, Tayyabji. They were all of them. Who established Imperial Cadet Corps? Lord Minto, Lord Curzon, Lord Lytton, Lord Ripon. इनका टाइम पीरियड मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए क्या था. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताई, ये चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है. The declaration of partition of Bengal was done on 19 July 1905, 7th August 1905, 15th August 1905, 16th October 1905. A हो जाएगा. Who was given life punishment for the murder of Colonel Willie? Madan Lal Dhingra, Udham Singh, Bhagat Singh, Manmathanath. Madan Lal Dhingra. The post of the Indian High Commission was created by which Act? Indian Councils Act 1909, Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935, Indian Independence Act 1947. Government of India Act 1919. The Indian National Congress did not take part in which of the following round table conferences? भाई Indian National Congress ने technically किसी में भी participate नहीं किया था, है ना, लेकिन representatives गए थे, है ना, ये तो आपने सुना होगा. So the answer would be, see, the thing is this, it will be none of the above, more than above. ठीक है. 39. Mahatma Gandhi presided over which session of the INC? 1922, 1924, 1928, 1930. अकेले सेशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया था इन्होंने, और ये कहाँ हुआ था आप मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट करके. Who was not the member of the cabinet mission? Pethick Lawrence, Wavell, Stafford Cripps, A.V. Alexander. 3 मेंबर थे ये 3. Who wrote the pamphlet Now or Never? Muhammad Jinnah, Muhammad Iqbal, Rahmat Ali, Khafi Khan. Rahmat Ali. Who declared Sati illegal? Warren Hastings, William Bentinck, Cornwallis, Curzon. William Bentinck. When was the Punjab Land Alienation Act passed? 1850, 1895, 1900, 1905. 1900. The Department of State was established under whose headship or leadership? Mahatma Gandhi, J.L. Nehru, G.B. Pant, Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel. Which among the following years Santhal Revolt occurred? Year पूछ रहा है Santhal Revolt का. 1855, 1856. Which among the following years Surendranath Banerjee was eliminated from Indian civil services? Year पूछ रहा है ये भी. 1874 में he was eliminated. Who is known as father of diarchy? Lord Clive, Hector Munro, Lord Macaulay, Lionel Curtis. Sir Lionel Curtis. Important question. Akhil Bharatiya Kisan Congress was founded in 1936, 1939, 1942, 1945. 1936. Which among the following Viceroy period the title of Rai Bahadur and Khan Bahadur began to be conferred? Start किया इन्होंने देना. Lord Lytton, Ripon, Mayo, Dufferin. B. Lord Lytton. Birsa was captured while asleep on 1st Feb 1900, 2nd Feb 1900, 3rd Feb. इनमें से कोई नहीं. The Muslims, if contented and satisfied, would become the greatest bulwark of British power in India. किसने लिखी थी ये बात? Herbert Risley, Lord Lytton, W.W. Hunter, H.N. Brailsford. W.W. Hunter. In my belief, Congress is tottering to its fall in one of my greatest ambitions, while in India is to assist it to a peaceful demise. किसने कही थी ये बात? Lord Lytton, Dufferin, Curzon, Minto. Very easy question. Curzon. Who was elected the first president of All India Kisan Sabha at Lucknow in 1936? N.G. Ranga, E.M.S. Nambudripad, Swami Sajanand Saraswati, Acharya Narendra Dev. C, of course. Sir Michael O'Dwyer was shot dead on 13 March 1940 in London by whom? Madanlal Dhingra, M.P.T. Acharya, V.D. Savarkar, Udham Singh. Vicky Kaushal. देखी होगी picture आपने. Who was the Prime Minister of England when the Montagu-Chelmsford Act was passed in 1919? Lord George, George Hamilton, Sir Samuel Hoare, Lord Salisbury. Lord George. Who became the champion of socialism and wanted to overthrow the British rule, princely states, landlordism and capitalism in 1933? Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhulabhai Desai, Sardar Patel. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who joined Subhash Chandra Bose to found All India Forward Bloc and actively associated with the INM movement? Jayaprakash Narayan, Vaikunt Shukla, Shilbhadra Yaji, Ram Narayan Prasad. Shilbhadra Yaji. Who is regarded as the mother of Indian Revolution? Important question. Mrs. Annie Besant, Snehlata Wadekar, Sarojini Naidu, Madam Bhikaji Rustam Kama. Madam Bhikaji Rustam Kama. First Indian elected to the British House of Commons was Dadabhai Naroji, who contested on the ticket of Liberal Party, Labour Party, Conservative Party, Communist Party. Liberal Party. Swaraj Party was formed following the failure of non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Rowlatt Bill Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha. Non-cooperation. The Chittagong Armory raid was planned by Surya Sen, Chandan Dutt, Vidhan Ghosh, Jatin Das. Surya Sen. Which journal was not associated with the revolutionary activity? Sandhya, Yogantar, Gadar, Young India. Young India. The precursor of Indian National Congress was British India Association, Indian Association, Indian National Union, Indian League. Indian Association. Who organized the Khudai Khidmatgar in 1929? Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Ali Brothers, Ansari Brothers, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Frontier Gandhi. The cabinet mission came to India February 1942, March 1942, April 1942, May 1942, March 24, 1946. यही होगा आंसर. Who was the Governor General of India in 1857? Wellesley, Dalhousie, Canning, Minto. Canning. आपको ये सारे Governor General याद होने चाहिए. Which of the following statements is correct? 1857 में Maharaja of Darbhanga, Dumrao, Hatwa and their fellow landlords helped the English with men and money. Second, with men not money. Third, with money but not men. Fourth, with their fellow landlords opposed the English. क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? A. Who founded the Pagal Panth? Bulle Shah, Karam Shah, Yaduvendra Singh, Swami Sahajanand. Karam Shah. Who were the Farizis? Followers of Haji Shariatullah, followers of Dadu, off होगा ये है ना? Followers of Arya Samaj, followers of Muslim League. Haji Shariatullah. The correct geographical location for the Ramosi uprising was Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Eastern India, Western Ghats. Western Ghats. The Waghera uprising happened in Surat, Pune, Calicut, Baroda. New Lamps for the Old was a series of articles that criticized the Congress for being out of touch with the proletariat. कौन थे author? Aurobindo Ghosh, A.O. Hume, G.K. Gokhale, B.G. Tilak. Aurobindo Ghosh. Important है ये. Which movement started after the partition of Bengal? Civil disobedience, Swadeshi, Quit India, non-cooperation. Swadeshi movement. Where did Madame Kama hoist the first tricolor flag in 1907? London, Paris, Moscow, Stuttgart. Stuttgart, of course. Who was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? Mrs. Annie Besant, Sujita Kriplani, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. बताइए. ऑप्शन कैसे बनाते हैं? सरोजनी नायडू. एट विच प्लेस इन बिहार गांधी जी हैड हिज फर्स्ट सत्याग्रह? चंपारण, छापरा, बेतिया, पटना. बार बार आएगा ये क्वेश्चन. चंपारण. One of the popular beliefs in Bihar during the non-cooperation movement was of 1920-22 was that victory would come to them because of Gandhi. Was the epitome of Dharna, was an accomplished politician, knew the ways to defeat the English. He knew English. 77 का C हो जाएगा. He knew the ways to defeat the English. After which incident Mahatma Gandhi had called non-cooperation movement as Himalayan blunder. Very important question. चौरी चौरा, कैदा सत्याग्रह, नागपुर, राजकोट सत्याग्रह. चौरी चौरा. डेट क्या थी चौरी चौरा की? Who was the president of the Gaya session of the Indian National Congress held in 1922? Chittaranjan Das, S.N. Banerjee, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Hakim Ajmal Khan. Chittaranjan Das. In which area was Rahul Sankrityan active in the non-cooperation movement in 1920? Chhapra, Delhi, Lucknow, Patna. Chhapra. Swami Sayanand Saraswati formed the All India United Kisan Sabha with a demand for nationalization of land and waterways just before his death at a very young age, 1930s, 1920s. Just before his death. Who highlighted the plight of the peasants of Champaran by writing under pseudonyms like Dukhi, Dukhi Atma, Dukhi Hriday? Pir Mohammad Munis, Rajendra Prasad, Sajanand Saraswati, S.N. Sinha. Important question है ये. Pir Mohammad Munis. Identify the years which are closest to the founding of the Communist Party of India and the RSS, both of them. 1925 तो Communist Party का दोनों का same है. Fill in the blanks. The Nehru report was drafted by a committee headed by whom and the subject was what? Motilal Nehru head थे, Constitutional Arrangements of India subject था. Which round table conference was held in 1932? First, second, third, fourth. ये सारे बताओ आप मुझे कमेंट करके कब कब कौन सी हुई थी. ठीक है. The process of split in the Congress in the early years of the 20th century began over strategies of the Congress movement, objectives of the Congress movement, participation of the people in the Congress, all of the above. All of the above. What was the common relationship between Catherine Mayo, Aldous Huxley, Charles Andrews and William Digby? They wrote commentaries on the condition of India during the British rule. They were the supporters of the international movement and they were the opponents of the international movement. They were friends of Mahatma Gandhi. ये सब वो थे आपके जो लिखते थे कमेंट्रीज. Who penned the following lines? सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. बिस्मिल, राजगुरु, भगत सिंह, आजाद. So, रंग दे बसंती सबने देखी है. Who raised the demand of complete independence for the first time in 1921? आपको कहना चाहिए मैम रंग दे बसंती नहीं, हमने पढ़ाई करी स्टडी फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज से. ठीक है, पर वो पहले आई थी तो ठीक है, आपकी बात मान सकते हैं हम शायद. मौलाना मोहम्मद अली, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, महात्मा गांधी, मौलाना हसरत मोहानी. Maulana Hasrat Mohani, who was associated with Ramosi peasant movement in Maharashtra. Justice Rana Day, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Basudev Balwant Fatke, Jyotiba Phule. Basudev Balwant Fatke. Who had withdrawn Vernacular Press Act of 1878? Lord Ripon, Lord Lytton, Lord Curzon, Lord Minto. Lord Ripon. Who published journal Free Hindustan in America? Ramnath Puri, G.D. Kumar, Lala Hardayal, Taraknath Das. Taraknath Das. Main cause of the beginning of Gadhar movement was arrest of Lala Hardayal, Kamagata Maru episode, First World War, hanging of Kartar Singh Sarabha. First World War. In which session Home Rule supporters succeeded in their political power? Lucknow session 1916, AITUC session Bombay 1920, First AUP Kisan Sabha 1918, joint session था AITUC का NTU का नागपुर में 1938. लखनऊ का session था definitely. Who was the writer of Indian Unrest? Dadabhai Naroji, Annie Besant, Lala Lajpat Rai, Valentine Kairol. Valentine Kairol, important question. Who participated in 1917-18 Ahmedabad Satyagraha led by Gandhi ji? Peasant class, industrial workers, people, mass, Aam Janta, laborers. Industrial workers. In which town 1920s Khilafat Committee conference was held which requested Gandhi ji to lead the non-cooperation movement? Lucknow, Lahore, Allahabad, Karachi. Allahabad. What was the aim of Eka movement of Awadh? No tax to the government, to protect the rights of zamindars, to end the satyagraha, conversion of tax into cash. Conversion of tax into cash. The nature of social boycott, Nai Dhobi Bandh, 1919. Started in Pratapgarh district by the peasants, started by sadhus for uplifting the status of lower caste, a step taken by zamindars of villages to stop exploitation of lower caste by ठेकेदार्स, a movement by the lower caste against ठेकेदार्स. भैया 100 क्वेश्चन पे आ गए हैं आप. INA was a brainchild of whom and who founded it? Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Mohan Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh. Dr. Mohan Singh. Which executive committee of Congress adopted a policy to abolish the right of land ownership? 1937 की executive committee, 1942 की, 1945 की, 1946 की. 37 की. Who among the following quoted 1857 movement was conspiracy? Sir James Outram and Taylor, Sir John Kay, Sir John Lawrence, T.R. Holmes. Sir James Outram and Taylor. चलिए तो 103. Which among the following class did not participate in 1857 movement? Agriculture merchants, petty merchants, peasants, zamindars. किसने नहीं participate किया था? 2 और 4 ने. Which among the following classes did not got influenced by the Swadeshi movement of 1905? Women, peasants, Muslims, intellectuals. क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? C. 2 और 3. Who among the following did not contribute in the foundation of Home Rule League? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Annie Besant, S. Subramanian Iyer, H.S. Olcott. H.S. Olcott. Who saw Khilafat movement as an opportunity for Hindu-Muslim unity which would not be seen in 100 years? Ali brothers, Abdul Kalam Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Mahatma Gandhi. Select the correct sequence of events related to withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. Police firing at Chauri Chaura, police station set fire by agitated crowd, withdrawal of movement by Gandhi ji, arrest of Gandhi ji. तो ये A हो जाएगा आपका, ठीक है ना? यही सीक्वेंस है करेक्ट. Who founded the खुदाई खिदमतगार organization? कितनी बार आएगा ये क्वेश्चन भाई? खान अब्दुल गफ्फार खान. Who was the first Indian to become the member of Communist International? M.N. Roy, Muzaffar Ahmad, S.A. Dange. M.N. Roy. When did All India State People's Conference constitute? 1924, 26, 27, 29. 27. Consider the following statements and select the correct answers. Assertion है राष्ट्रीय स्वयं सेवक संघ excluded from the Quit India movement 1942. Reason है they thought that by this movement freedom of India would be delayed. दोनों सही हैं लेकिन करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं है RA का, इस वजह से ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. फॉलोइंग लॉज वर पास्ड इन 1856. रिलीजियस डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट, सती प्रोहिबिशन रेगुलेशन, हिंदू विडो रीमैरिज एक्ट, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स. फर्स्ट और थर्ड. एक सेकंड ये गड़बड़ है यहाँ पे. Which former Maharashtra person was known as लोकितवादी? M.G. रानाडे, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, पंडित रामाबाई, गोपाल हरि देशमुख. ये थोड़ा सा मिसप्रिंट है यहाँ पे, कोई बात नहीं, चल जाएगा. गोपाल हरि देशमुख, ये सब हटा दो. By who demanded the right of temple entry for which the Tirunelveli a terrible right was launched in 1899? Vokalinga, Nadara, Mahir, Pali. Nadara. Which classes of population were influenced by 19th century's religious and social reform movements? Intellectuals, urban high castes, poor low caste, liberal princes. 1, 2 and 4. In which year HRA, Hindustan Republican Association, was founded? 1920, 24, 28, 30. 1924. Name the first women president of Indian National Congress. ये भी क्वेश्चन बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, तो जो रिपीट हो रहा है उसको हम डायरेक्ट देख लेंगे. एनी बेसेंट. Who founded the Satyashodhak Samaj in 1873? Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Jyotiba Phule, Shivanath Shastri, none of these. Jyotiba Phule. Who was the foremost representative of New Hinduism of late 19th century? Ramakrishna Paramahans, Swami Vivekanand, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Swami Vivekanand. Home Rule movement was a new chapter in the freedom struggle of India because it paved the way of self-government to the country. It was led by Gandhiji, a joint struggle started by Hindus and Muslimans. Self-government. गदर पार्टी का ईयर, फाउंडेशन ईयर 1913. रट लो, इससे बहुत आता है ये. Who was the secretary of Mahatma Gandhi at Nokhali period? निर्मल कुमार बोस, महादेव देसाई, प्यारेलाल, वल्लभ भाई पटेल. प्यारेलाल. Cause of resurgence of revolutionary activities in Indian politics in the period 1923-28 was increasing impact of leaders like Hardayal and Lajpat Rai, withdrawal of non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji, impact of foreign events, rejection of Indian demands by the English. Answer. Non-cooperation movement withdraw कर लिया था. Who was the Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten, C. Rajagopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Lord Mountbatten. 125. After failure of civil disobedience movement, Gandhiji recognized constructive programs, limited use of violence, coincidation with the English. Constructive programs. What was the main reason of failure of 1857 revolt? Lack of Hindu-Muslim unity, lack of any general plan and center organization, limited region impact and non-participation of zamindars. Lack of any general plan. With reference to the Mauryan Empire, consider the following statements. In this empire, a steady expansion of trade with Western world was seen. Exchange of emissaries between Maurya and the Hellenistic Greek kingdoms. In the major sources of Mauryan period, there were no dispute in using the Arthashastra as a source of history. Thomas R. Trotman conducted a computer-aided statistical analysis to the Arthashastra. Bahapur Srinivaspuri, the minor rock edicts of Ashok, is situated in Ranthambore, Rajasthan. 3 and 5. Which of the following satyagraha movements Gandhiji did not directly participate? Rajput, Kheda, Vacom, non-cooperation. Vacom. Which regions were the most affected by the disturbances erupted after Quit India movement? Bengal, Bihar, Gujarat, United Province. And 4th. Who led Bardoli Satyagraha? Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, Moraji Desai, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Famous question. After passing the Quit India resolution, Gandhiji was lodged in Yerwada jail, Naini jail, Ahmednagar fort, Aga Khan Palace. Aga Khan Palace, Quit India के time पे. Which issue was the reason of failure of second roundtable conference? Communal representation, offer of dominion status होगा, date of transfer of power, withdrawal of civil disobedience movement. Communal representation. The INC protested against Rowlatt Act because its aim was to limit civil liberty of Indians, to ban Indian National Congress, to broaden the issue of communal representative, to arrest national leader of treason, to limit civil liberty. Swami Vivekananda founded Ramakrishna Mission in the year 1861, 1891, 1893, 1897. Who was elected as the president of INC in 1938? Abul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Patabi Sitaramaiya, J.B. Kriplani. Subhash Chandra Bose. Which of the following has ended diarchy of Bengal? Robert Clive, Cornwallis, Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings. Ranjit Singh had received the famous Kohinoor diamond from, कहाँ से मिला था उनको? Shah Shuja, Jaman Shah, Dost Muhammad, Sher Ali. Shah Shuja. Who was the first Maratha Sardar to accept the subsidiary lines of Lord Wellesley? Peshwa Bajirao II, Raghuji Bhonsle, Daulat Rao Sindhia. Peshwa Bajirao II. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, MD Iqbal, Dr. Aga Khan, Aurobindo Ghosh. Aga Khan. Who was the founder of Atmiya Sabha? तो ऐसी direct question आनी चाहिए, Ram Mohan Roy. In which year Brahma Samaj was founded? 1828. With whom Britishers did Treaty of Srirangapatnam? Very famous. Tipu Sultan. Where did the first session of Indian National Congress held? Very, very, very famous. 1885, Bombay. Which viceroy did partition of Bengal in 1905? Harding, Curzon, Lytton, Minto. Lord Curzon. Who was the writer of Neel Darpan, written on the plight of indigo planters? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Deenbandhu Mitra, Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore. Deenbandhu Mitra. Which women has maximum contribution in Indian politics after 1947? Aruna Asaf Ali, Kamla Rani Singh, Rajkumar Shukla, Rabdi Devi. Aruna Asaf Ali. International Congress was founded by A.O. Hume, Surendranath Banerjee, W.C. Banerjee, Annie Besant. W.C. Banerjee. Who wrote the song Vande Mataram? यार आसान क्वेश्चन है बड़े. बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. The resolution on complete independence was passed in the Lahore Congress in year 1990, 1929, 1939, 1942, 1929, 150. One of the founder members of leaders of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army was B.R. Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jai Prakash Narayan. Bhagat Singh. Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. किसने कहा था? लाला लाजपत राय, महात्मा गांधी, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, सुभाष चंद्र बोस. बाल गंगाधर तिलक. The resolution of separate Pakistan demanded by Muslim League was passed in 1905, 1970, 1940, 1946, 1940. Ramsay MacDonald's Communal Award of August 1932 created first time a separate electorate for Muslims, Indian Christians, Anglo-Indians, depressed classes. Depressed classes. Government of India Act 1935 abolished one of the following: provincial autonomy, provincial diarchy, federal structure of India, responsible central government. Provincial diarchy. Swaraj is made for masses, not for classes. Who said it? C.R. Das, C. Rajgopalachari, Motilal Nehru, Gopinath Sahu. C.R. Das. Important. All India Congress Committee passed resolution for Quit India movement in the year 1970, 1970, 1930, 1942. 1942. The formation of Indian National Government, Azad Hind Sarkar, was announced on which date? 21st October 1943. Swami Shahjanand was associated with tribal movements of Bihar, caste movements of Bihar, peasant movements of Bihar, labor movement of Bihar. Peasant movement of Bihar. हम बहुत बड़ी भूल करेंगे यदि हम बिहार की जनता और उनके मंत्रिमंडल को लगे कि नेताओं के हिंसक और असभ्य आक्रमणों के आगे आकर्षित छोड़ देंगे. किसने कही ये बात? 1946 में महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, सरदार पटेल. Sardar Patel. Name of two important political parties which contributed in Russian Revolution of 1917. Congress and Janata Dal, Conservative and Labour parties, Democratic and Republican Party, Bolshevik and Menshevik Party. C. Democratic and Republican Party. INC was founded in 1865, 1867, 1885, 1857. 1885. Who among the following was not considered as liberals? G.K. Gokhale, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, R.C. Datta, W.C. Banerjee. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Indian national movement came under the effect of the extremists after 1906, 1909, 1914, 1919. 1906. The Indian National Army was founded in the year 1940, 41, 42, 43. 42. The founder of the INC was a civil servant, scientist, social worker, military commander. Civil servant. The hanging of Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev was in March 1911, 1921, 1931, 1941. 1931. Who shot down General O'Dwyer in London? B.C. Pal, Khudiram, Madanlal, Udham Singh. They repeat ho rahe hain question. The formation of Swaraj Party was the result of the failure of non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, civil disobedience movement, Swadeshi movement. Non-cooperation movement. INA was formed in Myanmar, Japan, Singapore, England, Singapore. All India Khilafat Conference was held in 1919. Who was elected as a chairman? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Shaukat Ali, S.C. Bose. Mahatma Gandhi. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was jailed in 1908 for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years. 6 years. Most of the moderate leaders were from rural area, rural, urban, Punjab. Urban areas. Mofla movement of 1921 was a branch of Khilafat movement, 1857 War of Independence, Swadeshi movement, non-cooperation movement. Khilafat movement. Mahatma Gandhi had discussed over Quit India movement before the executive committee of Congress at Wardha on 6 July 1942. Who was the president of that committee? C. Rajagopalachari, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Annie Besant. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. What is the original name of Frontier Gandhi? Purushottam Das Tandon, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Confuse mat hona isme. Answer hoga Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who was the president of Banaras session of Hindu Mahasabha held August 1923? Swami Shraddhanand, Rajendra Prasad, Lala Lajpat Rai, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Dayanand Saraswati founded Brahma Samaj, Arya Samaj, Pratna Samaj, Bahujan Samaj. Arya Samaj. Who had written the novel Durgesh Nandini? Rabindranath Tagore, Taraknath Gangopadhyay, Swarn Kumari, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which of the following was the immediate cause of the First Carnatic War? Rivalry between English and French, war over the throne in Austria, issue of throne in Carnatic, capture of French ships by Englishmen. ये immediate cause पूछ रहा है. D हो जाएगा. Which of the following act by which Lord Cornwallis got power to veto the decisions of their council? Regulating Act of 1774, Act of 1786, Charter Act of 1793, Charter Act of 1813. 1786, sorry. Who among the following Indian leader participated in the first RTC in London? Maulana Muhammad Ali, Maulana Abul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. Maulana Muhammad Ali. Which of the following leader presided over the Calcutta Congress session in 1906? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Aurobindo Ghosh, Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji. Which of the following Indian was appointed Naib Diwan of Bihar by Robert Clive? Amichand, Manikchand, Rai Dulrab, Shitab Rai. Important question hai. Shitab Rai. Individual सत्याग्रह was started by विनोबा भावे, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार पटेल, शौकत अली. पहले थे ये, दूसरे तीसरे आप बताएंगे मुझे. 10 बार बताया मैंने. 185. Who opened as Cripps mission as a post opined होगा ये. As a post dated check of shattering bank. महात्मा गांधी, मौलाना आजाद, JB कृपलानी, जयप्रकाश नारायण. Mahatma Gandhi. Quit India movement started in 1942. Basic questions. Who founded the Forward Bloc? Subhash Chandra Bose. Dandi March started in 1932, 31, 29, 30. 1930. The first sitting of Congress Socialist Party was held in Delhi, Nasik, Patna, Lahore, Patna. Who among the following was not an extremist? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Madanlal Dhingra, Udham Singh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. From where Mahatma Gandhi returned empty-handed in December 1931? London, Moscow, Washington, Tokyo. London. Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in 1931, 1935, 1942, 1919. 1931. Non-cooperation movement was started in 1920, 30, 1970, 1921. 1920. Which Urdu poet had seen the revolt of 1857? Mir Taqi, Mir Jauq, Ghalib, Iqbal. Famous question hai kafi. Ghalib. Who among the following was the most critical envoy of English in the revolt of 1857? Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah, Maulvi Imdadullah, Maulana Fazl Haq Kharabandi, Nawab Liaquat Ali. Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah. Who appointed who was appointed as a deputy Diwan of Murshidabad by Robert Clive after the Treaty of Allahabad? Muhammad Raza Khan, Shitab Rai, Rai Durlab, Sayyid Ghulam Hussain. Muhammad Raza Khan. Which among the following commission is related to new arrangement of British Indian Army after the end of 1857 revolt? Public Service Commission, Peel Commission, Hunter Commission, Simon Commission. Peel Commission. Who organized Kuka movement? Guru Ramdas, Guru Nanak, Guru Ram Singh, Guru Govind Singh. Guru Ram Singh. Who was the founder of the Indian Association? Dadabhai Naroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, A.O. Hume, Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Who? 200. Smile kijiye. Who presided the second session of the Indian National Congress? Ganesh Agarkar, Surendranath Banerjee, Dadabhai Naroji, Feroz Shah Mehta. Dadabhai Naroji. Partition of Bengal take place in 15th August 1905, 15th September 1905, 16th October 1905, 15th November 1905. 16 October 1905. Who was the murderer of General O. Dyer, Khudiram Bose, Bhagat Singh, Madanlal Dhingra, Udham Singh? Again repeated. Udham Singh. Who led Quit India movement? B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi? None of these. किसने लीड किया था क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट? ये पूछ रहा है. तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा ना थोड़ा सा. इट वाज लेड बाय महात्मा गांधी ऑफ कोर्स. Who had given the mantra do or die? तो पता ही देंगे आप. महात्मा गांधी. Where was the Azad Fauj founded? Japan, Myanmar, Singapore, England. क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? Singapore. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev were hanged on 23rd March 1931. Repeated. Who was the chairman of cabinet mission? Patrick Lawrence. Inqilab Zindabad. किसने बोला था? इकबाल. स्लोगन बोल रहा है गिवन. इकबाल, एम.के. गांधी, भगत सिंह, एस.सी. बोस. भगत सिंह. 209. At the time of transfer of power, one of the following states possessed a well-developed Congress party organization, which was Hyderabad, Awadh, Mysore, Junagadh. Mysore. Bengal was partitioned in 1905. After the resulting protest, it was reunited in 1906, 1916, 1911, 1909. 1911. One of the following sought to have the provisions of the Wartime Defence of India Act used against the Ghadar movement in Punjab in 1915 maintained in peacetime also. Lord Carmichael, Sir Reginald Cradock, Lord Harding, William Bentinck. Lord Harding. The massacre of the crowd at Jallianwala Bagh at Amritsar took place on. Date पूछ रहा है वो आपसे. याद होनी चाहिए आपको 13th April 1919. The second roundtable conference at London was held in the backdrop of Emerson Gandhi Pact, Haley Gandhi Pact, Irwin Gandhi Pact, Gandhi-Simon Pact. Irwin Gandhi Pact. In 1932, by passing one of the following orders, the All India Congress Committee was declared unlawful. The order was what? Unlawful Association Ordinance, Violation of Peace Law, Executive Power Ordinance, Viceroy Special Order. Unlawful Association Ordinance. The founder of the International Congress was a civil servant, scientist, social worker, military commander. फिर से हो गया repeat question, civil servant. Mahatma Gandhi's close English compatriot during the freedom movement was Reverend Thomas Murray, A.O. Hume, Reverend Charlie Andrews, William Wavell. Reverend Charlie Andrew. The first Indian to hold office as Governor General of Independent India, it is asking. Jamnalal Bajaj, C. Rajagopalachari, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, M.A. Ansari. C. Rajagopalachari. Mahatma Gandhi held that participation in the Second World War meant a violation of the principle of justice, equality, socialism, non-violence. Non-violence. The chairman of the Joint Parliamentary Committee of the 1935 bill that led to the forming of the Government of India Act of 1935 was Lord Linlithgow, James MacDonald, Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee. Lord Linlithgow. Who among the following presidents held office for 2 consecutive terms? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Zakir Hussain, both A and B. Answer. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Pune Pact aimed at Hindu-Muslim unity to represent to lower caste, at privileges to princes, to review to diarchy, to represent lower caste. The objective of Butler Committee, important question, 1927, modernize the Indian Army, modernize the Indian agriculture, impose censorship on national press, improve the relationship between Government of India and Indian states. Indian and Indian states. The cause of decline of textile industries in 18th century in Bengal was decline in quality of production, non-availability of raw material, high tariff rates on exports to Britain, non-availability of craftsmen. High tariff rates on exports to Britain. Who was the Congress president at the time of transfer of power in 1947 to India by the British? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Abul Kalam Azad, J.B. Kripalani. J.B. Kriplani. The Muslim delegation meets Minto in 1906 at Shimla and pleaded for separate electorate for Muslims, a composite electorate, higher representation to the Hindus, special representation to Muslim by nomination. Separate electorate for Muslims. The system of competitive examination for civil services was accepted in principle in the year 1833, 1853, 1858, 1882 लिखा है ये. 1853. Who is known as Lok Nayak? Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jayaprakash Narayan, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Jayaprakash Narayan. Who wrote Jhanda Geet? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Maithili Sharan Gupta, Shyam Lal Gupta Parshad. Shyamlal Gupta Parshad. Which incident led Gandhiji to withdraw the non-cooperation movement? Very famous Kakori episode, Chauri Chora episode, Jallianwala Bagh, Muzaffarpur episode. Chauri Chora, मैंने डेट पूछी आपसे. Which principle was propounded by Nehru ji for establishing world peace and mutual cooperation? Non-alignment, Panchsheel, peaceful coexistence, none of these. Non-alignment. Who used the words Sarvodaya for the first time? Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Vinoba Bhave, Jayaprakash Narayan. Mahatma Gandhi. When did India make its first nuclear explosion? Date, it is asking. 18th May 1974. तो आपने मूवी देखी होगी वो जॉन अब्राहम वाली. राजा राम मोहन रॉय established ब्रह्मो समाज in, फिर से रिपीट हुआ है क्वेश्चन, 1828. सत्यार्थ प्रकाश was written by राजा राम मोहन रॉय, महात्मा गांधी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती. Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The Anushoolan Samiti was dedicated to the upliftment of women, promoting widow remarriage, interesting in labor welfare, a revolutionary organization. A revolutionary organization. Ring fence policy was associated with Warren Hastings, Lord Dalhousie, Henry Lawrence, Lord Hastings. Warren Hastings. The first president of All India Trade Union Congress was V.V. Giri, S.A. Dange, Pandit Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. The Prime Minister of England at time of Quit India movement was Chamberlain, Churchill, Clement Attlee, MacDonald. Churchill. Name the Deoband scholar who played significant role in the freedom movement. Abul Kalam Azad, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Badruddin Tayyibji, Chirag Ali. Abdul Kalam Azad. Who was Sardamani, wife of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, wife of Ramakrishna Paramahans, mother of Vivekanand, doctor of Keshab Chandra Sen? Important question hai. When was the new Enfield rifle with greased cartridges introduced in the British Indian Army? November 1856, December 1856, January 1857, February 1857. January 1857. When was the All India Trade Union Congress established in Bombay? 1920, 1925, 1929, 1935. 1920. Who was the founder of the Amrit Bazar Patrika? Girish Chandra Ghosh, Harish Chandra Mukherjee, S.N. Banerjee, Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Who said Congress movement was neither inspired by the people nor devised or planned by them? Lord Dufferin, Sir Syed Ahmad, Lord Curzon, Lala Lajpat Rai. Sir Syed Ahmad. Who played an important role in the signing of Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Motilal Nehru, Madan Mohan Malviya, Tej Bahadur Sapru, Chintamani. Tej Bahadur Sapru. Which region of India was known for the cultivation of poppy plant during British rule? Bihar, Gujarat, South India, Assam. Bihar. Who propounded the doctrine of passive resistance? Mahatma Gandhi, Bipin Chandra, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh. चलिए 248 देखिए. Which of the following papers was essentially the mouthpiece of the policies of the liberals? New India, Leader, Young India, Free Press, Journal. Leader. Which Congress president negotiated with both Cripps Mission and Lord Wavell? Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, J.B. Kriplani, C. Rajagopalachari. Abul Kalam Azad. How many seats were given to depressed classes under Communal Award in Pune Pact? 71 दी थी Communal Award में, Pune Pact में 147. 251. Who among the following capitalists served as AICC treasurer for a long period and went to jail in 1930? G.D. Birla, Jamnalal Bajaj, J.R.D. Tata, Walchand Hirachand. Jamnalal Bajaj. Who was the leader of the revolt of the Mundas in 1899 and 1900? Sidhu, Budha Bhagat, Birsa Munda, Sambudhan. Birsa Munda. Who presided over the first session of All India Kisan Sabha? Swami Sahajanand, Indulal Yagnik, N.N. Ranga, P.C. Joshi. Swami Sahajanand. Who presided over the Delhi session of Indian National Congress in 1947? J.B. Kriplani, Rajendra Prasad, Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru. Rajendra Prasad. Mopla revolt of 1921 took place in Kashmir, BN WFP, Kerala, Assam. Kerala. Match the following है. आपके रिवोल्ट्स, रिबेलियंस और जगह दी हुई है। सी हो जाएगा। देखिए, बरदौली का होगा गुजरात ऑफ कोर्स, चौरी चौरा वाज उत्तर प्रदेश, यरवड़ा महाराष्ट्र, नोखाली वेस्ट बंगाल। When did Queen Victoria declared the taking over of Indian administration under British Crown? Dates दी हुई हैं, बताइए। 1st November 1858. In which year did Lord Curzon cancel the partition of Bengal? 1911, 1904, 1906, 1907. 1904. Sorry, एक सेकंड। 1911 में annulment of partition है ना। When did the British government appoint Sadler University Commission for Reforms in Education? 1919, 1917, 1921, 1896. 1917. Emperor Shah Alam II gave the Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to East India Company on date पूछ रहा है 12th August 1765, 18th August 1765, 19th August 1765, 21 August 1765. 12th August 1765. First railway lines were laid down in India under which British governor? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Lord Wellesley, Lord Lytton. लॉर्ड डेलहाउसी, काफी रिफॉर्म्स किए थे इन्होंने। When who was the national leader of Champaran Indigo movement? महात्मा गांधी, बिरसा मुंडा, बाबा रामचंद्र, राम सिंह। Of course, Mahatma Gandhi. The method of moderate leaders of the Congress was non-cooperation, constitution agitation, passive resistance, civil disobedience. Constitutional agitation. Why did people gather to demonstrate at Jallianwala Bagh? To protest against the arrest of Gandhiji and Lala Lajpat Rai, Kichlu and Satyapal, to offer praise on the Baisakhi Day, to protest against arbitrarily of inhuman acts of the Punjab government. To protest the arrest of Kichlu and Satyapal. The women's movement in India started largely under inspiration of Padmabai Ranade, Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Jyotiba Phule. Annie Besant. Who among the following was the first Indian to start an agitation on political reforms? Dadabhai Naroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Ram Mohan Roy, B.G. Tilak. Surendranath Banerjee. The most important of the pre-Congress nationalist organization was Bengal British India Society, East India Association, Young Bengal Association, Indian Association of Calcutta. Indian Association of Calcutta. Who was the founder of Forward Bloc? Jayaprakash Narayan, C.R. Day, Motilal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose. ये तो आसान हो गए हैं क्वेश्चंस अब बहुत ज्यादा है ना। Who was the first president of All India Trade Union Congress? B.T. Ranade, Satya Bhakata, Lala Lajpat Rai, N.M. Joshi. Lala Lajpat Rai. Where was the first session of All India Kisan Mahasabha held? Allahabad, Calcutta, Lucknow, Patna. Lucknow. The revolt of 1857 at Lucknow was led by Begum of Awadh, Tantia Top, Rani Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib. Begum of Awadh. When was the Rowlatt Act passed in India? 1919, 1920, 1921, 1922. 1919. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1920, 1919, 1921, 1922. 1920. Quit India movement began on date 9th August 1942, जिसको अब वो javelin throw day भी मनाया जाने लगा, हैंडलूम डे भी मनाया जाने लगा। चीजों को ऐसे रिलेट करके पढ़ा करो। After the revolt of 1857, the British recruited the soldiers from Brahmins of UP and Bihar, Bengalis and Odisha from the east, Gurkhas, Sikhs and Punjab in the north, Madras Presidency and Marathas. Gurkhas, Sikh and Punjab in the north. The militant phase of the trade union movement in India was 1939-45, 26-39, 18-26, 17-18. 1926-39. Congress passed the Swaraj resolution in the year 1905. The purpose of the resolution was right to make a constitution for themselves, but it was not done. To secure self-rule, responsible government, self-government. To secure self-rule. Under which act were provincial governments formed? 1935, 1932, 1936, 1947. 1935. January 26th was selected as the date for inauguration of the Constitution because Congress had observed it as Independence Day in 1930. On that day, the Quit India movement started. It was considered to be an auspicious day. Congress ने observe किया था ना Independence Day. The Madras Mahajan Sabha was established in the year 1880, 81, 82, 84. 1884. How many representatives took part in the first session of the Indian? बहुत famous है. कितने delegates ने participate किया था? 52, 62, 72, 82. 72 delegates. The first Indian Governor General of Independent India. Repeated question. Rajgopalachari, Surendranath, Rajendra Prasad, B.R. Ambedkar. C. Rajgopalachari. When was the National Council of Education established? 15th August 1903, 1904, 1905, 1906. 1906. The Montague-Chelmsford reforms formed the basis of Indian Independence Act 1947, Indian Councils Act 1909, the Government of India Act 1919, the Government of India Act 1935. The Government of India Act 1919. Who is popularly known as Sher-e-Punjab? Rajguru Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Udham Singh. Lala Lajpat Rai. Who is associated with Abhinav Bharat? वीडी सावरकर, सीआर दास, बीजी तिलक, एससी बोस. वीडी सावरकर. Do or die is associated with Dandi, non-cooperation, Khilafat, quit India. Quit India. Who was the founder of Prathna Samaj, Atmarang Pandurang, Tilak, Annie Besant, Rasbihari Bose? Atmarang Pandurang. Who was the father of Indian Renaissance? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Shraddhanand. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Which one of the following books was written by Tilak? India in Transition, Geet Rahasya, Gokhale My Political Guru, Discovery of India. Geeta Rahasya. Who founded the Theosophical Society? Madam H.P. Blavatsky, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Mahatma Gandhi, Swami Vivekanand. Madam H.P. Blavatsky. Swaraj Dal was founded by Tilak and Chittaranjan Das, Gandhi and Motilal Nehru, Gandhi and Tilak, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. किसकी बात हो रही है? स्वराज दल की. Who used Hooghly as a base for piracy in the Bay of Bengal? The Dutch, the French, the Portuguese, the British. The Portuguese. Under whose leadership was suppression of thugs achieved? Lord Clive, Captain Sleeman, Lord Minto, Alexander Burnes. Captain Sleeman. The Viceroy followed aggressive policy towards Afghanistan was Lord Mayo, Lord Lytton, Lord Dufferin, Lord Canning. Lord Lytton. 1930, from where Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement? Wardha, Dandi, Sevagram, Sabarmati. Sabarmati. The Sarabandi campaign of 1922 was led by Chittaranjan Das, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Rajendra Prasad, Lala Lajpat Rai. Important question hai ye. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? J.B. Kriplani, Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, C. Rajagopalachari. J.B. Kriplani. Which revolutionaries were hanged in the Kakori train robbery case? Ramprasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah, Veer Savarkar and Vasudev Chapekar, Praful Chandra Chaki and Khudiram Bose, Surya Sen and Udham Singh. चलिए जी, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Who wrote the book India for Indians? C.R. Das, M.G. Ranade, V.D. Savarkar, S.N. Banerjee. C.R. Das. Satyashodhak Samaj was founded by Dayanand Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule, Gandhiji, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Jyotiba Phule. Who was the first woman president of INC? Kasturba Gandhi, Mrs. Annie Besant, Sarojini Naidu, Bhakti Lakshmi Desai. Mrs. Annie Besant. Who was the first satyagrahi of the individual satyagraha movement? Sarojini Naidu, C. Rajagopalachari, Vinoba Bhave, Subhash Chandra Bose. मैंने आपसे पूछा है पूरा सवाल, फिर से पूछ रही हूँ. सेकंड और थर्ड सत्याग्रही के नाम बताना आपको. Who was the founder of the India House in London? Shyamji Krishna Verma, Ras Bihari Bose, Ramchandra, Taraknath Das. Shyamji Krishna Verma. Who wrote the book Deshar Katha? Important question है ये. Sakharam Ganesh Deoshkar, Rajendra Prasad, Nivaran Chandra, Murli Mohan Prasad. Sakharam Ganesh Deoshkar. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? William Adam, A.O. Hume, Rash Bihari Bose, Motilal Nehru. A.O. Hume. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? भी तो देखा था आपने क्वेश्चन. बाल गंगाधर तिलक. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood because title देते थे ना Britishers. Brutal suppression of civil disobedience movement, execution of Bhagat Singh, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, Chauri Chaura incident. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Who established Servants of India Society? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bhagat Singh. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who is the author of the book A Gallery of Rascals? Arundhati Roy, Ruskin Bond, Vikram Seth, Toni Morrison. Ruskin Bond. Who became the editor of the newspaper The Hindu after Mukund Padmanabhan? के बाद कौन बने ये पूछ रहा है. N. Ram, Siddharth Vradharajan, Suresh Nambath, Malini Parthasarthi. Suresh Nambath. Which title was given to Jayaprakash Narayan? Praja Hitechu, Loknayak, Lokmanya, Rashtranayak. Loknayak. In which of the following colleges Gandhiji had studied? Samaldas College, Bhavnagar, Dharmendra Raj Singh Ji College, Rajkot, Gujarat College, Ahmedabad, Bahauddin College, Junagadh. Samaldas College, Bhavnagar. Who of the following persons actively participated in the revolt of 1857? Nana Sahib, Kanpur, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lucknow, Maulvi Ahmadullah, Faizabad, Begum Zinat Mahal, Delhi. E. सबने किया था. About which act Jawaharlal Nehru said, we were provided with a car with all brakes and no engine? Act of 1858, Act of 1909, Act of 1919, Act of 1935. Act of 1935. For how many days did Dandi March last? 10, 20, 24, 30. 24. Who is the author of the popular song Sarfaroshi की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? सूर्य सेन, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, सरदार भगत सिंह, रामप्रसाद बिस्मिल. ऑथर पूछा है कौन से का? सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है. बताइए ऑथर. तो ये आपके हो जाएंगे. ये एक उर्दू पोएट थे बेसिकली, जिनका नाम मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. बिस्मिल Azimabadi. Which movement was started as a reaction to the partition of Bengal? Non-cooperation, civil disobedience, Swadeshi, Purna Swaraj. Swadeshi. Who among the following advocates had appeared for the INA trials in Delhi in 1946, 45-46? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Bhulabhai Desai, K.M. Munshi, Sardar Patel. Bhulabhai Desai. Where did Madame Kama unfurled hoga? India's tricolor flag of freedom. Paris, London, Stuttgart, Geneva. Repeated question. Which of the following pairs is correct? Vinoba Bhave, second individual Satyagrahi. C.R. Das, Deshbandhu. William Edison, Congress president in 1907. Shyamji Krishna Verma, founder of India House in Paris. बी ठीक है, बाकी गलत है. तो फर्स्ट थे ना, सेकंड और थर्ड तो मैंने आपसे पूछा है. Which day was declared as पूर्ण स्वराज डे by the INC? Date 26th January 1930. अभी ऊपर देख के आयो ना आप रीजन. Who drew Gandhiji's attention to the plight of indigo peasants in Champaran? Rajendra Prasad, Anugrah Narayan Singh, Acharya Kripalani, Rajkumar Shukla. The dual system of governance in Bengal was enforced और abolished, दोनों आपको याद होना चाहिए. Warren Hastings, William Bentinck, Robert Clive, Lord Curzon. Robert Clive. Who among the following participated in the Parliament of Religions held at Chicago? In 1893, Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Mahatma Gandhi, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Swami Vivekanand. Who established Swaraj Party in 1923? Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel, C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru, B.R. Ambedkar. C.R. Das, Motilal Nehru. Who among the famous play Neel Darpan is in which oppression of indigo farmers is displayed? Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Barendra Ghosh, Dinbandhu Mitra. Dinbandhu Mitra. The famous Battle of Wandiwash in 1760 was fought by the British against whom? The French, Spain, Mysore, Carnatic. The French. Which of the following acts introduced separate electorate system in India? Regulating Act 1773, Charter Act 1833, Pitt's India Act 1784, Indian Councils Act 1909. Indian Councils Act 1909. Coal mutiny of 1831 under Budho Bhagat took place in which of the following regions? Kutch, Singhbhum, Western Ghats, Satara. Singhbhum. Who spearheaded the 1857 revolt in Bihar? Nana Sahib, Tatyatop, Kumar Singh, Maulvi Ahmedullah. Favorite question hai Bihar PCS ka. Among the following pairs of tribe and district, which one is not correctly matched? Santhal, Banka, Munda, Jamui, Oraon, Supol, Kharwar, Bhagalpur. Munda, Jamui. Which company established its factory in 1632 at Patna, Bihar? British East India Company, Dutch East India Company, Portuguese East India Company, French East India Company. Dutch East India Company. Who among the following escaped from Hazaribagh jail during Quit India movement? Sachidanand Sinha, Jayaprakash Narayan, Jagjeevan Ram, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai. Jayaprakash Narayan. Who was the president of the session of INC in 1922? गया में जो सेशन हुआ था, है ना? चितरंजन दास, हकीम अजमल खान, महात्मा गांधी, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद. 1922 का जो सेशन था, मेरे ख्याल से इसके प्रेसिडेंट आपके कौन थे? यस, चितरंजन दास ही थे. मुझे मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद में कंफ्यूजन था. ठीक है. 336. Which department was held by Rajendra Prasad in the interim government formed in 1946? Finance, Defence, Home, Food and Agriculture. Food and Agriculture. Where was the Ghadar Party founded? Germany, United States, France, England. United States. By whom was the Servants of India Society founded in AD 1905? Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Mahadev Govind Ranade, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who is the author of the book Unhappy India? B.G. Tilak, Annie Besant, Lala Lajpat Rai, A.O. Hume. Lala Lajpat Rai. Who participated in all three roundtable conferences? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Madan Mohan Malviya, B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Gandhi. तीनों की डेट्स आपको पता होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? तभी फायदा है, अदरवाइज क्या फायदा बताइए. Who founded the Indian Association in AD 1876? Surendranath Banerjee, Chittaranjan Das, W.C. Banerjee, Arvind Ghosh. Surendranath Banerjee. In which country was the first honorific Netaji added in the name after Subhash Chandra Bose? Netaji कब add हुआ? India, Italy, Germany, Japan. Germany. Who is related to Chittagong Armory raid? Ras Bihari Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Batukeshwar Dutt, Surya Sen. Surya Sen. Which rebellion is mentioned in Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Anand Math? Sannyasi, Kuka, Santhal, Neel. Sannyasi rebellion. Which event happened first? Quit India movement, arrival of Cripps mission, arrival of Lord Wavell as Governor General, arrival of Cabinet mission. Arrival of Cripps mission. Who was the president of the session of the INC held in Lahore in AD 1929? Vallabhbhai Patel, Motilal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is not related to Champaran Satyagraha of 1917? J.B. Kripalani, Rajkumar Shukla, Rajendra Prasad, Ram Manohar Lohia. राम मनोहर लोहिया. कुंवर सिंह, leader of revolt of 1857, was related to which place? Gwalior, Jagdishpur, Jhansi, Meerut. जगदीशपुर हो जाएगा. Where was Rayotwadi system first implemented? Gujarat, Bombay, Madras, Bombay, Odisha. Madras. The revolt of 1857 was described by whom as the first Indian War of Independence? V.D. Savarkar, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, R.C. Majumdar, Dadabhai Naroji. V.D. Savarkar. Who was the first woman president of INC? कितनी बार आएगा ये क्वेश्चन? Annie Besant. Who started the journal बहिष्कृत भारत? ज्योतिबा फुले, करसनदास मुलजी, बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर. बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर. Forward block was established by सरदार सिंह जी राणा, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, जयप्रकाश नारायण, लक्ष्मी सहगल. सुभाष चंद्र बोस. Who was the finance minister in the interim government? लियाकत अली खान, सरदार पटेल, M.A. जिन्ना. जवाहरलाल नेहरू, लियाकत अली खान. Who had invited Gandhiji to come to Champaran? Rajkumar Shukla, Rajendra Prasad, Jaiprakash Narayan, Krishna Sahai. Rajkumar Shukla. In which state was the first Lokayukt established? Odisha, Kerala, Maharashtra, Punjab. Maharashtra. In which position was A.S. Anand serving in the late 1990s? Comptroller and Auditor General, Chief Justice of India, Chief Vigilance Commissioner, Attorney General. Chief Justice of India. Which of the following were the social reforms introduced by William Bentinck? It is asking. Abolition of sati, abolition of slavery, removal of disabilities due to change of religion, suppression of the organized bands of thugs. B हो जाएगा. 1, 3 और 4. इनका टाइम पीरियड क्या था? आपको टाइम पीरियड पता होना चाहिए सबका. On which date Sukhdev, Bhagat Singh and Rajguru were hanged? डेट पूछ रहा है. 23rd March 1931. Who was the third सत्याग्रही? I get a question. Launched by महात्मा गांधी. विनोबा भावे, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, ब्रह्मदत्त. सेकंड बताना है आपको अगर क्वेश्चन नहीं आए तो. ठीक. Who launched secret radio during the Quit India movement? Usha Mehta, Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, Sucheta Kriplani, Annie Besant. Usha Mehta. Who was the physician of Magadh ruler Bimbisar? Shilbhadra, Vijay Sen, Jeevak, Manu. Jeevak. Who were the leaders of Santhan revolt? Jara Bhakt and Balram Bhakt, Sidhu Kanu, Gurakshini Bhagat, Keshav Chandra Rai, Shambhunath Palan, Kura Malla. Sidhu and Kanu, very famous. Who is known as Frontier Gandhi? M.A. Jinnah, Shaukat Ali, Abul Kalam Azad, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. सीमांत गांधी हिंदी में कहते हैं. कौन जाना जाता था? अब्दुल गफ्फार खान. Where was झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई died? कानपुर, लखनऊ, कानपुर, ग्वालियर, झांसी. ग्वालियर. Who has said about Bengal partition? The partition announcement fell like a bombshell. Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bipin Chandra Pal, Chittaranjan Das. Surendranath Banerjee. Sardar Udham Singh killed whom? General Dyer, General Wiley, Michael O. Dyer, Saunders. दोनों में फर्क देख लेना. Michael O. Dyer. Who successfully led the Bardoli Satyagraha? Vallabh Bhai Patel, Motilal Nehru, J.B. Kriplani, Jawaharlal Nehru. Vallabh Bhai Patel. Who among the following was not a member of the cabinet mission sent to India in 1946? Sir Stafford Cripps, Ramsay MacDonald, A.V. Alexander, Lord Pethick Lawrence. ये नहीं थे, बाकी तीनों members थे. In which year the famous Gandhi-Irwin Pact took place? 1929, 1930, 1931, 1932. 1931. In which session International Congress passed complete independence resolution? 1920 Nagpur, 1924 Belgaum, 1929 Lahore, 1931 Karachi. 1929 Lahore. Subhash Chandra Bose renamed Nicobar Island as Swaraj Island, Shahid Island, Balidan, Navodaya. Change कर दिया है ना नाम सरकार ने. Swaraj Island. In which state Chauri Chaura, where February 1922 a police station was set on fire? Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. Date आप मुझे बताएंगे. यूपी में है date. In which place Khudiram Bose tried to kill Kingsford? Patna, Darbhanga, Muzaffarpur, Gaya. Muzaffarpur. During which movement Azad Dasta was active in Bihar? Champaran Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation, Civil Disobedience, Quit India. Quit India. And this is the last question. You should feel very happy. Who was allotted the portfolio of Labour Department in the interim government's cabinet of 1946? Jagjeevan Ram, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Anugrah Narayan Singh, Sayyid Ali Zahir. जगजीवन राम. बहुत ही शानदार आप लोगों का प्रदर्शन रहा है इसमें, जो बने रहे वीडियो में. ठीक है जी. तो फॉर एनी पीडीएफ एंड पेड ग्रुप्स ये नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं, आप इन पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बाकी एक बड़ा सा ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को. अच्छे से एग्जाम दीजिए, क्लियर कीजिए. पीवाईक्यू बहुत हेल्पफुल होते हैं, बशर्ते आप ट्रस्ट के साथ चीजें कर रहे हैं. मिलती हूं मैं आपको आपसे हमारे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। थैंक यू सो मच।